Okay, hi guys. I'm just gonna show you how to set up the forms, and this is through a third-party system called Jotform.com. So you just want to type that in, go to login. You already have a login set up, which is David Admin, and the password I'll send to you. And then you go in here. I've already created two forms. One is web contact form, which shows it's on the contact us page, just shows this info, name, number. We could probably put email in there too. Like that. Auto saves typically. But what we want to do is go to My Forms. I just started a new one, which will be your instrument rental form, I think, is what will make this one. So you click the title me. Let's look at your site real quick. Instrument rental. We're missing a download or rental agreement. So I'm gonna essentially make this a rental agreement form. We'll start with a heading. We'll call it that. We'll drop in some info here. Quick tools, name, email address, phone, payment tools, can take PayPal, so if you guys have a PayPal account, I can connect that. It's not hard. Just let me know. Then we're going to start under here, under phone number. We'll drop in, let's see, you guys are going to edit this whole thing, so I'm just doing some quick ones. Date, time. I don't know what fields you guys have on your form, but I just wanted to show you kind of how to do it. So we're going to basically always throw this CAPTCHA in here just to limit spam. So you can put form tools, normal form tools. So we're going through under this one, and let's say instrument type requested. Here you could do a drop down if you guys have a list of let's say you have a list of instruments. And it shows 3 instruments, but we'll just click on this. And we can separate, you know, into whatever. So let's say Okay, so we're just going to give you a few to drop down. Those will be available here to select. We can make that, any of these we can make required by clicking here and just clicking that. The reason I use this setup is because they update all the code always, so you never have an outdated form on your site. The only problem with this setup is that it does tend to be a little bit, it auto-saved, tends to be a little bit let's just get here real quick. I'm going to the pages, to our rental agreement page, instrument rental. Download a rental form agreement to come. We're going to just put that text in here. Or actually, you know what? Let's do this. I'm going to select an item, see if it is more stable that way. It tends to be a little unstable. If we put this script in here in the text area, sometimes if you go back in and mess with this page, it'll delete that script for some reason. So it can be a little quirky, but once you have it, you just want to add that here. Let's just drop that out, hit a return, add that in, hit update, and we'll go look at it. So here's your Enumclaw Music Rental Agreement form. Now we can change the text, the font here in Jotform by going to the properties, actually going to setup and embed into the preferences, and then we can change the style, form styles. And we're going to take this, edit it to 700 in width, and we're going to change this to something in this kind of orangey, dark orangey look. We can get an exact match hex color right here, but I'm just doing it real quick. Save, instrument rental, hit refresh, and here's your new text that matches this color. So that's kind of the way you update forms here. If we need to update any form, if we go to contact page and we say, oh, we want this form to actually have a different thing there, then we'd go into Jotform, under My Forms, find that actual form, web contact form, click Edit, then we could do that here, add file upload if you wanted to, delete pieces. It's a really slick way to do your forms. So anyways, we're going to leave that page. That is that. Hopefully you guys can figure that one out. If not, give me a call or let me know, and we can go from there. Thanks.